हेलो। आज कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स और करेंगे जिसमें 2Q, 3Q, 4Q, 5Q charges are placed at the corner of a square of side length A. To find electric field intensity at the center of square. So we know the length of diagonal is a root 2 in case of square, and the center is at the half distance of the diagonal, that is 2a by root 2. First we find electric field intensity at the center by the charge q, E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon a बाई रूट 2 का स्क्वायर, इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए। 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2Q अपॉन a स्क्वायर। Since electric field produced by the charge q is E, therefore electric field by the 2Q 2E, it is positive charge away from the charge, by 4Q 4E. It is A, B, C and D. Net electric field along AC, 4E in this direction, 2E in this direction, resultant will be 2E. Then EAC equal to 4E minus 2E, that is 2E as shown in the figure. Similarly, electric field intensity by the 5Q charge 5E, by 3Q charge 3E. 5E, 3 are opposite to each other, resultant will be 2E. Then EBD, electric field along DB, equal to 5E minus 2E equal to 3E. Sorry, 5E minus 3E equal to 2E. Since the diagonal intersect at 90 degree, we know, therefore the net electric field intensity E dash equal to under root E AC square plus E dV square equal to under root 2E square 2E square E under root 8. Putting E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q upon a square under root 8, E dash equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 root 8 Q upon a square. Thus we can find net electric field intensity and direction. If net electric field intensity makes angle alpha with AC, then tan alpha equal to E dV upon E AC equal to, देखिए dV 2E upon 2E, that is equal to 1, tan alpha equal to 1 implies tan alpha equal to tan 45. This implies alpha equal to 45. Thus the net electric field intensity makes angle 45 degree with diagonal AC. Also we can solve the numericals having numerical values. We consider 2 microcoulomb charge, minus 3 microcoulomb charge, 4 microcoulomb charge, and 5 microcoulomb charge. The first microcoulomb is here, microcoulomb is here, micro. So we find electric field by 1 microcoulomb, that is putting Q equal to 10 power minus 6 E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 9 10 power 9, 9 into 10 की power 9, 2 into 10 power minus 6. We have taken side line 10 centimeter, 10 into 10 की power minus 2 का square, 9 to 18, 18 into 10 की power 3 upon 100 into 10 की power minus 4. Solving it, equal to 18 into 10 की power 5. Electric field intensity produced by 1 microcoulomb charge at the center, E equal to 18 into 10 की power 5 Newton per coulomb. One microcoulomb charge produce electric field intensity 18 into 10 power minus 10, 18 into 10 की power 5 Newton per coulomb. Electric field produced by 2 microcoulomb charge 2E, 4 microcoulomb charge 4E, A, B, C, D. Net electric field intensity along AC equal to 4E minus 2E equal to 2E. Similarly, 3 microcoulomb minus 3 microcoulomb charge, we know electric field intensity towards the negative charge 3E in this direction. 5 microcoulomb produce 5E in this direction. Net electric field along dV, E dV, E dV equal to 3E plus 5E equal to 8E. In this direction, net field 80, in this direction net field 2E if it makes angle alpha, and net field is E dash by the same method, E dash equal to under root E AC square plus E dV square. E dash equal to under root 2E का स्क्वायर प्लस 8E का स्क्वायर. E dash E under root 4 plus 64 E root 72. Putting E net electric field is 18 into 10 की power 5 root 72 Newton per coulomb. Similarly, we can find direction. If net field makes angle alpha with AC, tan alpha equal to E dV upon EAC, that is 8E upon 2E, that is 4, alpha equal to tan inverse 4. Thus, we can easily solve like these numericals when the numerical values are given using this method. It makes easy the solving of the numerical. We take another question. Q charges are placed at the center, at the corner of a square to find electric field intensity at this corner. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D. We find electric field intensity by this charge Q equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon A square, and when we find electric field intensity by charge at the diagonal E1, this side length A root 2, we know diagonal of E square 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon A root 2 pi square, E1 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon 2A square. It is clear? E1 is E by 2. It can be written E by 2. Therefore, if this charge Q produce electric field E, this Q charge will also produce electric field intensity E, and it will produce E by 2. We can use this concept, and we know it makes angle 45, total angle is 90 degree. It is 45. Taking component of E by 2 along this direction, it is E by 2 cos 45, and it is E by 2 sin 45. Net, it is x direction, it is y direction. Net electric field intensity along x direction is E plus E by 2 cos 45, and Ey equal to E plus E by 2 sin 45. Net electric field E dash under root Ex square plus Ey square. Taking E outside, it will be E under root 1 plus 1 upon 2 cos 45 pi square plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 sin 45 square. E dash is cos 45, E वैल्यू रखते हैं E की 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon A square under root 1 plus cos root 1 upon root 2 cos 45. It is 1 upon 2 root 2 का square. It is also 1 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 का square. Solving it, we can find net electric field intensity, and similarly, if resultant makes alpha tan alpha Ey upon Ex, in this situation it is 1. This implies alpha equal to 45. So by using this method, we can also solve questions having numerical values. For example, if 2 microcoulomb, 3 microcoulomb, 4 microcoulomb charge, side length 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. First, we find electric field by 1 microcoulomb charge. It is 9 into 10 power 9. क्यों हमने 1 माइक्रोकूलम से यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड निकाला, सॉरी यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाई 1 माइक्रोकूलम चार्ज एट पॉइंट डी, इट इज 10 पावर -6, 10 into 10 की पावर -2 का स्क्वायर. सॉल्विंग इट 9 10 की पावर 3 100 10 की पावर minus 4. It is 9 into 10 की power 5. Putting this value E equal to 9 into 10 की power 5 Newton per coulomb. Electric field produced by 2 microcoulomb charge will be 2E by 4 microcoulomb, 4E, and diagonal become half. Then electric field produced by 3 microcoulomb charge is 3E by 2 angle 45. Taking component in this direction, 3E by 2 cos 45. In this direction, 3E by 2 sin 45. Ex equal to 2E plus 3E by 2 cos 45. Ey equal to 4E plus 3E by 2 sin 45. E dash under root Ex square plus Ey square. तो यहाँ से देखें E सब में है, E को हमने बाहर ले लिया. अंडर रूट 2 प्लस cos 45 वन अपॉन रूट 2 हो जाएगा 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 प्लस 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर. सॉल्विंग इट वी कैन एंड पुटिंग इट E डैश E क्या होगा 9 इंटू 10 की पावर 5 अंडर रूट 2 प्लस 3 बाई 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 4 प्लस 3 बाई 2 रूट 2 का स्क्वायर. एंड सॉल्विंग इट वी कैन गेट द नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट द कॉर्नर. एंड if the resultant makes angle alpha, suppose resultant this E dash it makes angle alpha, then tan alpha equal to Ey upon Ex. So we can find electric field intensity at the center of the square. We can find electric field intensity at the corner of square. Now I will take some conceptual numericals. It is a regular hexagon charges Q, 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 Q are placed at the 5 corner side length A. To find electric field at the center of hexagon, it is one of the most important question. It is conceptual question. We know when we make a triangle, this angle is 60, this will be 60, it form equilateral triangle and this side length is A. First, we find electric field intensity produced by charge Q at the center. It is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon A square. So this will produce electric field in this direction. This charge will produce electric field in this direction. It will produce electric field in this direction and it will produce electric field in this direction. A, B, C, D, E, F. Net electric field along CF, that is ECF, E minus E equal to 0 and E A D E A D equal to E minus E equal to 0. Therefore, the net electric field, this is not cancel out. Therefore, net electric field is E BE. That is, if it is center O, E BO equal to E, and it is not cancel out. Therefore, net electric field 1/4 pi Q upon A square. इस क्वेश्चन को समझने की जरूरत है. देखें, इक्वल चार्जेज आर प्लेस्ड एट द कॉर्नर, एट द 5 corners. To find electric field at the center, these cancel to each other, these cancel to each other. Therefore, it will produce electric field here, and net electric field intensity will be E. So we can find electric field at this situation.